Hey everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing this super awesome, adorable little hamster set from the LEGO Friends collection. So let's just start out with the figure. So this is the figure we have. I don't know what her name is. I used to know what all the names were of all of them, but that was a long time ago, so I don't remember. And I think she might be like a newer character, but this is just what she looks like. Now let's look at the hamsters. There are 3 of them. The first one we have is gray. These things are so cute and tiny. And then we have this kind of blonde one, I guess you could say. And then next we have this caramel kind of colored one. So this is probably like the biggest part of this little playset here. And it's just this like hamster wheel that has a little motorcycle on it. This is what the back looks like. There's like all these different levers and everything, but if you twist the little lever thingies, it will move the outside, the blue. So then it looks like he is driving the motorcycle in this little wheel. This is definitely my favorite part of this set. And then next we just have this little car mode of transportation, vehicle, whatever you'd like to call it. We just have this little thing that the hamsters can ride around on. And then here is a hoop for the hamsters to jump through. And then we have a slide, which this is a sticker and this is a sticker, and I accidentally put this one on backwards. So when you're building these, make sure you put the stickers on correctly, but it's just this little slide. And then we have this thing. It's a sign, but I don't know what HLC means. Oh, Heart Lake City, I believe. So I knew it was Heart Lake, but I was like, Heart Lake Club? Like, what is it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Heart Lake City. I have not stayed up to date with LEGO stuff very much, so I have no clue what anything is anymore, so that's fun. But we have these little cones as well. I really like these. I really like that they're like pink and yellow, like that they're 2 different colors. Overall, this is the set. This is everything that comes with it, and I really like it. I highly recommend it. Honestly, I just love it for like the hamsters and this little contraption here. These other pieces like the little car, the slide, the sign, and these things are not a selling point for me, but this thing, and also it includes 3 hamsters, and that's just the best thing ever, you know? Getting the small little LEGO animals is always the best, so if you want to get some animals, I would recommend getting this set. That is all for this review. If you have any other questions, just ask me in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe if you like my videos, and comment some ideas for other videos that you would like me to do in the future, as well as follow me on Instagram. It's Galaxies and Gargoyles. There you will see all of my behind the scenes of YouTube videos and pictures of the stuff I either make or review in my videos, or even like the stuff that I get from hauls and just all kinds of random stuff that I craft, you know. You're gonna see it all there. It's a great behind the scenes if you enjoy my channel or just want to look at some cool pictures. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.